Hey everyone. Today we're going to dive into something that sounds super high-tech, but don't worry, we'll make it really easy to understand. We're talking about blockchain technology and smart contracts. You might have heard about Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. That's where blockchain comes in. Let's break it down. What is blockchain? First, let's start with a simple definition. Blockchain is a special kind of digital record book that is shared with many people and can't be changed easily. Now, imagine this. Let's say your whole class is keeping score in a game. Instead of only one person writing the score on a board, everyone writes the same score in their own notebooks at the same time. So, if someone tries to cheat and change the score later, everyone else will say, "Hey, that's not what I have." That's how blockchain works. It's like a shared notebook or digital ledger that stores information in blocks. And every time new info is added, it gets locked in place and connected to the previous block, just like a chain. That's why we call it a blockchain. Why is blockchain special? Here's why it's super cool. It's decentralized. No single person controls it. It's transparent. Everyone can see what's inside. It's secure. Once something is added, it can't be easily changed. A famous quote says, "Blockchain is the technology. Bitcoin is merely the first mainstream manifestation of its potential." Mark Koenigsberg. So blockchain is not just about money. It can be used for many things like voting, keeping records, and even making games. What are smart contracts? Okay, now let's talk about smart contracts. Imagine you and your friend make a promise. If you do your homework, I'll give you a chocolate. Now imagine you write that promise into a computer program, and the computer gives the chocolate automatically when the homework is done. That's what a smart contract does. A smart contract is a computer program that runs automatically when certain conditions are met. It's like a vending machine. You put in coins, press a button, and get your snack. No one needs to check if you paid. The machine handles it. In the same way, a smart contract is fair, automatic, and needs no middleman, like a lawyer or judge. Real-life example. Let's say two people want to buy and sell a house. Normally, they'd need banks, agents, and lots of paperwork. But with a smart contract, they can write rules like, if person A pays $100,000, then the house goes to person A. Once the money is sent, the contract does the rest. No waiting, no cheating. It's like magic, but it's just smart programming on the blockchain. Why is this important? Blockchain keeps data safe and can't be easily changed. It's used for money, healthcare, voting, games, and more. Smart contracts make deals fast, fair, and automatic. It helps build a trustworthy digital world where people can work together safely, even if they don't know each other. One more cool thing, blockchain is used in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but also in things like NFTs, digital art, supply chains tracking where food or products come from, online games owning digital items. Pretty exciting, right? So today we learned, a blockchain is like a chain of blocks that keeps data safe and shared. A smart contract is a digital promise that runs automatically when rules are followed. Together, they help build a smarter, fairer, and safer digital world. As Don Tapscott said, the blockchain is the biggest innovation in computer science, the next internet.